Hey everyone, my name is Tokyo, an autistic advocate and a project officer working on Activate, a project that's all about boosting autism self-advocacy. We plan to do this through the Autism Advocacy Academy, a self-advocacy school for autistic people by autistic people. In our previous video, Lyric shared information about our research, and now we're thrilled to announce that we've officially started conducting this research, and we need your help to make it a success. If you're an autistic individual between 16 and 29 years old and want to help us build the most effective and inclusive self-advocacy school possible, we want to hear from you. We'll be conducting our research through your choice of an interview or an online survey, and your privacy is our top priority. Your name and any personal information will remain confidential. You can reach us through our website or directly through our email shown on screen now. Your input is incredibly valuable. This will help us create a brighter future for autistic youth and develop the best possible curriculum for our autistic advocacy school. Thank you for helping us create a better future for autistic people, and we look forward to keeping you updated with the progress of our project Activate.